In today's video, we're going to explore three pillars of business success: investing, marketing, and hiring. These are essential topics for any small business owner who wants to take their finances to the next level. We'll share with you some tips, tricks, and tools that will help you grow your business and achieve your goals. Welcome to the Finance Virtuoso channel, where we talk about all things finance. If you're seeking a daily dose of valuable information on money, business, investments, and savings, be sure to click the notification bell and hit the subscribe button now. Investing. The first pillar of business success is investing. Starting a small business is often driven by the desire to make money and save it for the future. However, achieving growth and expansion requires investing in various aspects of your business. You need to invest in your product or service, your equipment, your technology, your team, and most importantly, your marketing. Marketing is the heartbeat of your business. It's how you connect with your audience, build your brand, and ultimately drive sales. There's a common misconception that advertising and marketing have to be expensive, but the truth is, there are cost-effective options available, especially in today's digital age. One such option that I highly recommend for small business owners is Google Ads Smart Campaigns. And no, this is not a sponsored video. Google Ads Smart Campaigns are designed to make online advertising simple and efficient. They can significantly expand your reach and connect you with potential customers who are looking for what you offer. If you're all about efficiency, you'll appreciate how easy it is to set up and manage smart campaigns. Just follow these 5 simple steps. Number 1. Define your goal. Tell Google what your business needs, whether it's more phone calls, website visits, or store visits. Google will adapt to your objectives and act like a 24/7 digital marketing assistant. Number 2. Choose your advertising locations. Decide whether you want to target a local or international audience. You can choose specific areas or regions where you want your ads to appear. Number 3. Craft your message. Create a concise and compelling message that conveys what your business is all about and what makes you different from the competition. Number 4. Set your budget. You have full control over your budget and you can adjust or pause it at any time. Google won't exceed the budget you set, and you only play when someone clicks on your ad or call your business. Number 5. Go live. Once you've completed these steps, you can go live and Google will take care of the rest. Your ads will be displayed across various platforms, from Google searches to Google Maps and partner websites. If you're a small business owner who wants to grow your business online without spending a fortune on advertising, I couldn't recommend this tool more. You can easily sign up and manage your campaigns by using the Google Ads mobile app. While 2020 presented many challenges for small businesses, this resource can be a game changer for getting your business back on track in 2024. Marketing. The second pillar of business success is marketing. Marketing is not just about advertising. It's about creating a strong brand identity that resonates with your target audience. It's about telling your story, sharing your values, and providing value to your customers. To create a successful marketing strategy for your small business, you need to consider 4 key elements. Number 1. Your brand message. Your brand message is the core of your marketing strategy. It's what sets you apart from the competition and communicates what you stand for. You need to craft a clear and consistent message that reflects your mission, vision, and values. Number 2. Your marketing channels. Your marketing channels are the mediums through which you deliver your brand message to your audience. You need to choose the right channels that align with your audience's preferences and behaviors. For example, if your audience is young and tech savvy, you might want to use social media platforms like Instagram or TikTok. Number 3. Your content. Your content is the substance of your marketing strategy. It's what attracts, engages, and converts your audience into customers. You need to create quality content that provides value, relevance, and entertainment to your audience. For example, if you run a fitness studio, you might want to create content that showcases your workouts, tips, testimonials, or challenges. Number 4. Your analytics. Your analytics are the tools that measure the performance of your marketing strategy. They help you track, analyze, and optimize your marketing efforts. You need to use analytics to understand what works and what doesn't and make informed adjustments accordingly. For example, if you use Google Ads Smart Campaigns, you can use the Google Ads dashboard or app to monitor your campaign results and insights. By applying these 4 elements to your marketing strategy, you can create a powerful and effective marketing plan for your small business. Hiring. The third and final pillar of business success is hiring. Hiring is one of the most important decisions you'll make as a small business owner. Your team is your greatest asset, and finding the right people can make or break your business. When hiring for your small business, you need to consider 3 main factors. Number 1, skills and experience. You need to look for candidates who have the skills and experience that match the role and responsibilities that you're hiring for. You'll also need to look for candidates who can adapt to different situations and learn new skills quickly. Number 2, work ethic and values. You need to look for candidates who have a strong work ethic and share your values. You want people who are motivated, reliable, and committed to your business success. You also want people who fit in with your business culture and can work well with others. Number 3, personality and potential. You need to look for candidates who have a positive personality and a high potential for growth. You want people who are enthusiastic, creative, and curious. You also want people who can bring new ideas, perspectives, and solutions to your business. By considering these 3 factors, when hiring your small business, you can find the best talent for your team. And that's it for today's video. We hope you enjoyed these tips on investing, marketing, and hiring for your small business. These are 3 pillars of business success that can help you achieve your financial goals. What do you think of these tips? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the Finance Virtuoso channel for more financial tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.